Hi and welcome to Get Licensed Driving Instructor Reviews. Quick question, do you want to earn more? As a professional instructor, how do you feel about other instructors giving away cheap driving lessons? Do you feel it devalues our industry? Why would students go to you instead of just choosing the cheapest when they can't see or hear about the quality of your teaching or the difference in your car? For around 90% of consumers, an online review is literally as important as a personal recommendation. Customers are likely to spend 31% more on a business with excellent online reviews. Too often for a student, the solution is that they have to go on word of mouth recommendations or just give business to someone they know nothing about. We want students to make an informed choice and help them understand you. Get Licensed Driving Instructor Reviews is a trusted platform for trusted ADIs where you can justify your price tag in the reviews and ratings that your students leave you. So how does this help you earn more money? Get Licensed Reviews lets you stand out from the competition and lets your track record, your history and your professionalism justify your price tag. Your name and your business can build up a real presence with online search engines like Google with the help of our website. Your existing students will feel like you really value their opinion when you ask them to review you, and new students will feel confident choosing you based on your real, verified and trusted reviews. To celebrate the launch of our new website, we're giving away to 5 lucky driving instructors a £1,000 fuel card. So what do you have to do to enter? If you haven't already, create your profile on the Get Licensed Driving Instructor Reviews website. It's free, and number 2, collect 30 reviews. So you might be thinking, how can I get 30 reviews? It's super simple. Share it to your past and present pupils. All you have to do is log on to your profile, you'll see a green share button and it allows you to copy and share your profile to Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. What you could also do, if you're still with your student at the end of a lesson, get them to take a look at your profile, leave you a 5-star review, say a few nice words on your page, and it only takes about a minute. You have until the 31st of December to enter, and after this date, we'll be selecting the 5 lucky winners, and hopefully it will be you hearing from us. So come and check out Get Licensed Driving Instructor Reviews and build your profile so your future students can see just how good you are.
Perfect.